Welding hundreds of tube joints for heat exchangers is repetitive, time-consuming, and prone to human error. TATE orbital welding machines simplify tube-to-tube sheet welding for heat exchangers, condensers, and boilers. You'll achieve full penetration, minimal distortion, and consistent bead quality, no operator fatigue involved. Looking for orbital tube sheet welding solutions, automatic tube-to-sheet welding, or TIG orbital welding for exchangers? Subscribe, like, comment, and email us now at info@octate.com.